Yes, in this session, we discussing about the concept of corporate entertainment, Companiya Manaranjane. Here, in this corporate entertainment, it is a very special event in an corporate sector. Why? Because corporate entertainment it is a refreshment activity or refreshment event to the employees, shareholders, stakeholders, each and every person they are going to be involved or participate in this event for the purpose of entertainment. Here, meaning tells us corporate entertainment is a private event held by the corporate or business firm for their staff, clients, or stakeholders. The event can be for large audience such as conventions and conferences or smaller events such as retreats events means relaxation or retaining events, holiday parties or even private concerts. Concert is nothing but it is a performance of art presented in the in front of the certain audience participants. That is the meaning of corporate entertainment. Once again, we are discussing the meaning of corporate entertainment here. Corporate entertainment, it is a private event. It is conducted by the corporate or people or companies and for the purpose of refreshment of staff, and they give the retaining. So in certain situations, shareholders also retaining because of the certain increase and decrease in the share values. In that situations, we conducting the corporate entertainment event for the staff, employees, and clients or shareholders or stakeholders. This is about the meaning of corporate entertainment. It is a private event conducted by the corporate or the business firm for the purpose of their staff, clients, and the shareholders. And next, we are moving on. The next concept here, need for corporate entertainment. Here, the need for the corporate entertainment. Why we needed the corporate entertainment events, corporate entertainment activities? So why? Because here some important points tells us the need or importance of corporate events. In that, the first one is attract new clients. It is very essential and a most important need. Explains us for the importance of the corporate events to attract the new clients. What happens here? Corporate entertainment refreshing the minds of the employees as well as it gives the refreshment to the clients, and it attracts the new sponsors and keep existing ones happy. Then it attracts the new ones. Entertaining the new or existing clients is a proven method of doing the business and boost up the sales. This is the most important need. It tells us why we conduct the why we organizing the corporate entertainment events to attract the new clients. Second one is reward the employees. What happens here when we are rewarding or given award to the employees for their hard work throughout the year? For example, best CEO, best manager, best employee in the company. This are all explains us when we are rewarding the employees, it helps us to motivate the employees, to push up the employees. Then they are feeling that our organization, our company identifying me. In that situation, they themselves motivated and perform positively for the organizational goals and objectives. And the third point, why we need the corporate entertainment. And the third point tells us lasting memory. In certain situation, because of the economic ups and downs, because of the different situations of the business, what happens here? Business environment keeps on changes. We are very well known business environment or the business cycle. It's an introduction, growth, boom, recession, and decline stages. In that situation, our memory lasting. Why? Because we doesn't no, our company is conducting the events, or our company either running in the profit or running in the losses. Each and everything we forgotten. In that situation, the lasting memory also boost up with the help of the corporate entertainment. With the help of the corporate entertainment, so it helps the shareholders, stakeholders. They remember and they boost up the memory of the organizational activities. And the fourth one is appreciation. Appreciation is the best method to motivate the employees as well as to attract the customers, as well as to attract the customers also. It is very essential. It is very essential to appreciate. Because of their appreciation, it is a fantastic way of letting the existing employees knows how much you appreciate their loyalty. Then it will be working in your organization. Appreciation also held in the corporate entertainment. And the fifth one is develop good work relationship. The corporate entertainment helps the organization to develop the good relationship, good working relationship, to develop the good working relationship. Because of the good working relationship, corporate entertainment also helps us to build up the good working relationships. And the sixth one is loyalty. Employees will remain loyal to the companies because of this corporate entertainment can relax all the employees and also push up the motivation level. Because of we identifying the employees and gives the awards and rewards. In that situation, what happens here, loyalty also increases and it helps the growth of the organization. And the seventh one is say thank you. Say thank you means the main reason to host a corporate entertainment event has reward and a thank you for the employees for their hard work and for their performance. We saying the thank you to the employees. In that situation, they feels the organization will identify us, and as well as all all the employees become happy. And last one is solve the problems. It helps in solving their entire problems, means within the business premises problems against the employees who are working in that particular organization. Corporate entertainment also securing that the relationships inter departmental problems also solving in the corporate entertainment event. So therefore, these all points will explain us the need of corporate entertainment.